Today's video is a very important one for all seniors. We're going to be revealing the one food that has been shown in multiple studies to rebuild muscle faster than any other food or supplement out there. This is a natural soup. It's not some magic pill or powder, and best of all, it's easy to add to your diet and your grocery list. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. But first, if you're new here, I want to give you a great big welcome to our channel, where we help people over 50 improve their health and quality of life by revealing the latest in scientific research and breakthroughs. So if you haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button below, so you stay up to date with all our future videos. Now let's get back to today's video. Are you worried about muscle loss, low energy, or slow recovery as you get older? These are common issues faced by many seniors, but what if there was a simple solution that could help you maintain your strength and mobility and even improve your overall health? We've done extensive research and have found the top natural superfood that science confirms can rebuild muscle, increase strength, and support senior health. And guess what? It's not protein powder. Yes, you heard that right. A recent study published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine compared the effects of a popular protein powder with a natural superfood, and the results were shocking. The natural superfood group experienced significantly more muscle growth and strength gains than the protein powder group. This natural muscle-busting superfood is a type of seafood that's packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent choice for seniors looking to maintain their muscle mass and overall health. But that's not all. It also contains a unique compound called Carnosine, which has been shown to improve exercise performance and recovery. Carnosine helps reduce muscle damage and inflammation, which can lead to faster recovery times and improved strength gains. To reap the benefits, simply add 1 scoop of this superfood to your daily routine and watch your body transform. It's that simple. But wait, there's more. In another study published in the Journal of Nutrition, seniors who consumed this superfood for 12 weeks experienced a significant reduction in muscle loss and an increase in muscle strength. These amazing before and after transformations don't lie. Real seniors like you are achieving incredible results with this soup. The best part, it's incredibly easy to add to your diet. You can start your day with a delicious smoothie by mixing 1 scoop of this superfood with your favorite fruits and vegetables. Or if you prefer something savory, try adding it to soups or salads for a nutritious boost. It's versatile, delicious, and perfect for any meal. However, not all brands are the same. In fact, there are 3 fake versions you should avoid at all costs. These common mistakes can harm your senior health. Look for a brand that uses only the highest quality ingredients and has a proven track record of delivering results. Choose the original and best. You may be wondering, when is the best time of day to take this superfood for maximum results? Well, here's a little bonus tip. Taking it pre- or post-workout can help improve exercise performance and recovery, leading to even greater muscle-boosting results. So, are you ready to take control of your health and well-being? Are you ready to experience the amazing benefits of this powerful soup? If so, click the link below to learn more and start your journey towards a healthier, stronger you. Don't wait. Your muscles are worth it. Your health is worth it. And remember, age is just a number. With the right mindset and the right superfoods, you can achieve your health and fitness goals and live life to the fullest. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and start rebuilding those muscles today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep those muscles strong. We'll see you next time.